Welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss on a major issue when we install the Laravel installer via Composer. When we trying to install, then sometimes we get issue related to zip extension. Issue is on your screen and the solution is in your php.ini file. Go to your drive where XAMPP was installed. Under XAMPP you have a PHP folder. In PHP folder, find php.ini file. Open the php.ini file in Notepad. Search for extension is equal to zip. After that, remove the semicolon and save the file again. Now issue resolved. You can install the Laravel installer via Composer. Issue has resolved successfully. Thanks for watching the video. For more videos, please subscribe my channel and like and share the video.